What if I told you that one cold call script could land you your biggest client? Today, I'm revealing the exact script that I use that absolutely changed my career. And more importantly, how you can use it to skyrocket your sales. Whether you're struggling with cold calls or you just want to refine your approach, this script will give you a proven framework to skyrocket your success rate. So stay tuned, because I'm breaking it down step by step. And for those of you that are new to the channel, I recently shared how I made 7,200 cold calls in 90 days, resulting in over $1 million of revenue. And today, I'm diving deeper into the exact script that landed me my biggest client during that time period. So hear me when I tell you, this script is not theory. It's been tested and refined through thousands of calls. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable script that you can use immediately. But let's be clear, a script is not a crutch, it's a roadmap. It keeps you focused, it ensures that you hit key points, and it gives you confidence. But it's also flexible enough to adapt to any situation. And you see, most salespeople, they just wing it on calls. And this leads to rambling, miscommunication, and lost leads. You see, a good script eliminates those issues and it keeps you in control. So if we dive into the script, step one is the opening. And you see, your opening sets the tone. You got seconds to capture attention, so make it count. And here's how I start. I start off by saying, hey, prospect's name. My name's Jeremy. I know you're busy. I just have a quick question for you. And you see, this approach makes it easy for them to say yes. It makes it personal because you used their name. So make sure you do research beforehand. And it gets that foot in the door, just buying those extra couple seconds to move forward in the process. Now, after opening, you need to immediately hook them. Step two is the hook. You need to immediately hook them and create alignment between their problems and your products and services. Follow up with, many companies I speak with are struggling with pain points. We've helped similar companies or competitors achieve specific results, and I think we could do the same for you. Does that sound like something you'd be interested in exploring? And this hook demonstrates that you understand their challenges and have a track record of solving similar issues. You see, it's not about pushing your programs, products, or services, but it's about offering a solution. But once you got their interest, now step three, it's time to qualify the lead. You need to ensure that they're a good fit before moving forward. Here's how I handle it. Hey, to make sure I'm not wasting your time, can I ask how you're currently handling a specific aspect of their business? What's working well, and where do you see room for improvement? And you see, this question gets you to open the door to their current situation and challenges, and it's going to give you the information that you need to tailor your pitch. And step four, you need to present the solution. You see, now that you've identified their challenges, now you need to present your solution clearly and confidently. So I would say something like, based on what you told me, I think we can really help with specific challenge. We offer a brief description of your solution, which has helped companies like yours get specific results. If you're open to it, I'd love to schedule a deeper conversation to show you how it works. And you see, this approach ties their challenges directly to your solution. And the big thing is, you want to have a clear next step, which isn't buy my products. It's let's schedule a time so we can discuss things further. And step five is the close. The close is crucial. You need to make it easy for them to say yes to the next step. Close with, how does specific date and time sound for a more detailed discussion? I can walk you through exactly how we can help you achieve specific results. And giving a specific time shows that you're actually serious about meeting with them, and quite frankly, it makes it easier for them to commit. And you see, it's all about moving them down the sales funnel. But understand, objections can come up at this point, so I'm going to give you three main objections you're going to get and how you can actually handle those. And objection number one is simply, I'm not interested. So I would just respond back with like, I understand you might be hesitant, but let me ask, if there is a way to improve specific result by specific percentage, would be worth a quick conversation. Objection number. What's going on, family? Hey, I hate to interrupt the video. I know you're getting so much value, but I'm just out here for my walk and I'm getting message after message after message of people saying, Jeremy, how do I increase my close rate? How do I double my deals? So I actually put together a free training, absolutely free, of some of my top closing strategies that you can actually watch and implement immediately. Just click the link in the description, go watch it, double your deals. Back to the video. We don't have the budget. I would just say, I hear you. Many of our clients felt the same way before seeing the ROI we provide. If I could show you how our solution pays for itself, would you be open to learning more? And objection number 3, you're gonna get it all the time. Send me information. I just smile and say, I'd be happy to, but I find it's more effective to discuss your specific needs first, so I can tailor the information to what's most relevant for you. How about we set up a brief call? And so there you have it, the exact script that helped me land my biggest client. And remember, it's not about following this word for word, it's about using it as a roadmap to help you improve your process. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more sales tips, tricks, and strategies. And if you have any questions or need help refining your own sales script, just drop a comment below. I'm happy to help you. And I have a really big surprise for you in the next video. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned.